We will be discussing common size statements in this video. Common size statement is a financial tool to study the key changes and trends in the financial position, that is balance sheets items and the operational results of the company, in which we will be studying the different components of statement of P&L with respect to revenue from operation, and in case of balance sheet position statement, each item will be studied with respect to the aggregate of the total assets, okay, of the assets, okay, or liabilities. So a common size a common size balance sheet shows the percentage of each asset to the total asset and that of each liability to the total liability. Similarly, in common size statements of P&L, the item of expenditure are shown as percentage of the revenue from operation. Okay, in case of statement of P&L, we calculate the percentage of each item, each expenditure with that of revenue from operation, and in case of balance sheet, it is to the total of assets or total of liabilities. Each liability and each asset is compared. Okay, the format of common size statement is like this. 2 years, if we are comparing 2 years, then year 1's percentage is written here, and for year 2 percentage in this column. Okay, it can be two different companies, same years also. Okay, now let's take one question. This is the values. In case of income statement, revenue from operation is given, cost of goods sold is given, operating expense is given, non-operating expense is given, and depreciation. Now depreciation is part of operating expense. Okay, so there is no need for you to write it separately. Wages is part of goods sold, so no need to show it separately. Now these items are generally given in questions to confuse the students. If the student have not studied well, he will be doing some mistakes. Now see, this is the format. Absolute amount, the total amount of the previous year and current year is written. Now in case of 2015 and 16, we are writing the percentage in this column. So the first column, okay, 25 lakh divided by 25 lakh, okay, into 100, it's 100%. 12 lakh divided by 25 lakh, here the denominator will be 25 lakh. Okay, 12 lakh divided by 25 lakh into 100, it's 48%. 13 lakh divided by 25 lakh, it's 52%. 1,20,000 divided by 25,000, it's 4.80%. 11 lakh 80 divided by 25 lakh into 100, it's 40%. Okay, 15 lakh like I will show you for this, 15,000 divided by divided by 25 lakh into 100. Okay, we have to convert it into percentage, so into 100, that will be 0.60%. Okay, similarly in case of 2016, okay, 2015, when we calculate, we will divide all the items by 18 lakh, that is 18 lakh divided by 18 lakh, it is 100%. Then 10 lakh divided by 18 lakh into 100, 55%. Okay, 8 lakh divided by 18 lakh is 44.44%. 80,000 divided by 18 lakh into 100, 4.44%. 7 lakh 20 divided by 18 lakh is 40%, and 12,000 divided by 18 lakh is into 100 is 0.67%. Now let's take one example of balance sheet. In balance sheet, for every item, like asset, this is equity and liabilities, share capital, no? 15 lakh will be divided by the total of the liability side, 41 lakh 50,000. Okay, similarly here in case of assets, 8 lakh will be divided by 32 lakh 50,000. Okay, then multiplied by 100. Now see, 15 lakh divided by 41 lakh 50,000 into 100 is 36%. Similarly, 5 lakh divided by 41 lakh 50,000 into 100 is 12.05%. 6 lakh divided by 41 lakh 50,000 into 100 is 14%. Okay. When we divide 14 lakh by 41 lakh 50,000 and multiply it by 100, it is 33.373%. Okay. Similarly, we have calculated the percentages. And here in this case, for the year 17, year ending 17, 12 lakh will be divided by 32 lakh 50,000. So it is 36.93%. 5 lakh divided by 32.50, it is 15%. 5 lakh divided by 32, 15.38%. 10 lakh divided by 32.50, it is 32%. Okay. Now the most important thing which we have to keep in mind while solving such question is the time, the duration in which we are going to solve it. In board, generally these questions are of 4 mark, so we expect a student to solve it within 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, if the student is taking 10 to 15 minutes, that means he is going to lose time, okay, to solve some other questions. So indirectly he may not be able to attempt all the questions if he is slow in calculation and all. So please practice. These questions are very good for students, no, who are not good in other subjects or other topics, no. For them this question is a very good chance of scoring full marks. Okay.